My name is Jay Wacker. I'm a theoretical particle physicist here at SLAC. I've been here for 6 years as an assistant professor, and I study the laws of nature at various experiments such as the Large Hadron Collider. Most importantly, I try to figure out how we can discover new laws of nature that extend what we know. I was always inclined towards sciences, so as a kid I would flip through the big books of dinosaurs and learn all their names. Going forward into middle school and beyond, I was sort of very open-minded about all the sciences. And so when I was deciding what to do in college, I decided to go into physics, give that a try. And if you keep on learning more and more, taking more and more advanced classes, you eventually get to the end and you realize, well, the end isn't finished yet. And that's what I'm still doing. Thank you. High energy physics is divided up into roughly 3 classes of people that make it happen. The accelerator physicists, the experimental particle physicists, and the theoretical particle physicists. Theoretical physics lets you take an underlying theory of nature and make experimental predictions for it.
I'm sort of on the fence about that. I think there are good reasons to believe it's standard model.
Theory is an important aspect of how we interpret the experimental results. So experimentalists measure things that happen, but then how do you know what are the best things to measure, and how do you interpret those measurements in terms of an underlying theory? We are a bit like detectives in that we are trying to unravel the mysteries of nature. It's a puzzle that you're trying to put all the pieces together to see if it all makes sense. And we've made amazing progress at doing that, but there are still these pieces that are just not fitting in quite yet. In particular, dark matter. The majority of the mass of the universe is in some particle that we haven't discovered, and we don't know anything about it other than it exists and that it has mass. 85% of the mass of the universe, we just don't know what it is. And so that's kind of a big deal. Every now and again, when I'm talking to postdocs and other faculty members and graduate students, you just sit back and you just say, wow, it's amazing. I get to spend my days thinking about these deep questions. This is my job. It's a fascinating profession, and I just feel very fortunate that I'm able to do it.